Guys, this platform you are seeing right here will pay you 1,000 naira immediately you sign up on this platform. But that is not the issue. On this video, I want us to review this app together, this platform you are seeing together. Let's check how the platform is, this money they are going to give you, if you can be able to withdraw money from the platform, and also how you can make money from the platform. I want us to review this platform together and check everything about this platform, because a lot of people have been saying they are making money from this platform. So I want us to take a look at the platform together and see the interface of the platform, how you can register on the platform, and also how you can make money from the platform, and also how you can withdraw your money from the platform. I want us to review everything together, if really you can make money from this platform or not, or if it is among of the platform they are hyping just for you to waste your time. I want us to review everything together, if the platform is legit or not. Meanwhile, I'm not a financial advisor, neither am I the one who created this platform. I am not the one who created the platform. I was searching online and I saw the platform. I saw a lot of people talking about the platform. So I want to review the platform and see how the platform is. So make sure you make your own proper research before you start to do anything investment online, or you do anything online. And this platform right now, I'm not the one who created the platform. So I'm just making my own review about the platform. So make sure you do your own proper research before you start to do anything on this type of platform. Make your own proper research, and after you make your own proper research and you find out that the platform is okay for you, you can try it. But if you make your own research and you find out that the platform is not okay for you, you can leave it. So now let's go ahead and review the platform and check out the platform is. Now, looking at the interface of the platform, and to access this platform, if you want to register on this platform, the link to this platform will be on my Telegram channel, and the link to my Telegram channel is in the description of this video. So when you check the description of this video, you are going to see the link to my Telegram channel. Immediately you join the link of my Telegram channel, you are going to see the link of this platform. Now, when you click on the link, it is going to bring you to an interface like this where you can register. And to register, it will ask you to put your phone number, your password, your confirmation password, your withdrawal password, and you click on register. And immediately you click on register, you are going to be registered into the platform, and they are going to give you 1,000 naira in your account balance. But the problem is, can this money be withdrawn? Let's check it out together. That is why I say I want us to review this platform together and check the interface of the platform. Now, let me log into my account and show you guys how the platform is look like. Now, immediately you register on the platform, this is how you are going to see the interface of the platform, where you are going to see recharge, withdraw, channel, customer care, and you are going to see their daily income and also their stable income. Now, I want us to look at their everything about this platform together. Let's check it out. Now, when you look at their daily income, it says that they have this first one, which is going for 10,000 naira, and every day you'll be making 2,000 naira, and the total you'll be making is 240,000 naira. That is in 120 days. As you can see, they also have second package here, which is going for this amount. They have third package. In fact, they have different type of package. And when you come to the interface of the stable income here, where they also title as a stable income, you are going to see their package here, where you can be making money according to the platform. Now, as you can see, it have the first one here says it's good for 80,000 naira, and this is the money you'll be making daily, and this is the total money you'll be making. So before you can be able to unlock this their stable income, you have to unlock the first daily income according to the platform. This is how the platform says. Before you can be able to make money on this platform, you have seen everything. So you have to unlock the first package before you can be able to unlock the second package. But just the way I said at the beginning of this video, this platform you are seeing right here, I am not 100% guaranteed that you are going to make money from this platform. This is just a review I'm making about the platform, showing you guys how the platform look like, and also how the platform says you can make money from the platform. I am not saying you are 100% guaranteed that you can make money from this platform. So make sure you make your own proper research before you start to do anything on this platform. If you make your own research and you see that yes, you are okay with the platform, then you can try it. But if you make your own research and you are not okay with the platform, you can leave it. I am not forcing you or telling you to do anything on this platform. I'm just making my own review about the platform. Now, when you check at the home page of this is the home page of the platform, it also have where it says invite here. When you click on invite, you are going to see where they are going to give you a referral link, which you can copy and also invite people. And when you invite people, it says you are also going to be earning some commission. and it's out where it says team. Here, when you click on team, this is where you are going to see people you have invited and the money you have earned. Now, when you click on my here, where it says my here, this is where you are going to see your account balance and everything. Now, as you can see, my account balance is 50,000 naira. I have 50,000 naira on my account. I'll be withdrawing this money right now to my own account. If really I can withdraw from this platform. I tried the platform some week ago because I've tried the platform and I want to check it out if really I can withdraw money from this platform. Now, let's check it out together. Let's click on withdraw. Now, when you click on withdraw, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. Now, let me put the amount I want to withdraw. Let me put 50,000 naira. Now, the next thing I will do is to put my withdrawal password here. Now, after putting the withdrawal password, the next thing I will do is to click on withdraw. But before I click on withdraw, as you guys can see, it said the minimum withdrawal amount is 2,000 naira and withdrawal time is from 9 o'clock to 17 p.m. That is 5 p.m. Ensure your bank account information is correct and became a verified, so you can see all these things, you can read this thing. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on withdraw, confirm withdrawal. And as you can see, it says successful withdrawal. That means the money has been withdrawn to my own account. So this is how the platform is. You can check out the platform. If you're okay with the platform, you can check it out. Now, when we come to the home page and you want to recharge, maybe you want to try the platform, you are going to see recharge here. Then the next thing you're going to do is just to click on recharge, and it's going to take you to here where you're going to put the money you want to recharge to try the platform. So you can decide to try the platform if you wish to, but if you are not okay with the platform, you can leave it. I just make my own research and I saw the platform. I see a lot of people talking about the platform and I decided to share it with you guys. So if you decided to work on the platform, it's your own cup of tea. But if you don't want to work on the platform, it still remains yours. So I just make my own research and tell you guys how the platform is. The platform is a new platform where a lot of people, I see a lot of people jumping into it right now. So I decided to check the platform out and show you guys. So if you are okay with the platform, that you want to try the platform, you can. But if you are not okay with the platform, you can leave it. So this is just a review I make about the platform, and also a big disclaimer I'm telling you right now about the platform. If you make your own research, you can try it. If you make your own research, you can also leave it. So this is how the platform is. So if you find this video helpful, I want you to like this video, comment, and also share this video. And if today is the first time you are coming across this channel and you have not subscribed, do well to hit that subscribe button so that when next I drop more videos like this, you also be among of the people to watch those videos. See you guys on my next video.